Hi everyone. I hope as you're going through this tutorial and anytime you're developing a program, you go to Save As and save it as the next version. So you notice I have every version for each of the tutorials. It's a good idea. Just in case something goes wrong with this one, you can go back to the other one. One of the things that we changed is we imported each of these constants from the config file separately. So here is our config. These are each of the constants. And there's height and width as we go. We're displaying Pong as the caption. We're setting a clock. We're setting the speed for the ping pong ball. We want to actually have it move. So it's going to move 3 pixels or minus 3 pixels as it moves. And this will get switched as we move the ball and bounce around. The init ball moved into here. We have a rectangle. We are setting the coordinates by width, right? Width divided by 2 minus the ball radius. That sets the upper x coordinate. So you divide it by that. Subtract the ball radius, you get the middle. Same thing here, you get the middle this way. We set the width, we set the height, all from our config. Here's where we update the ball. The x value gets increased by whatever the speed of x is. In this case, it's 3. The y value gets increased by the speed of y, which is minus, so it's going to be going up. This will get reversed as our ball bounces around the screen. We've already looked at check events. So now we check events, we update our ball, we still fill the surface, we draw our ball, we update the surface to the display, and that takes care of our game for now. Let's see what we have. We should have the ball moving in one direction, and that's it. Every time you open up, it'll just go the same way. That means we need to do something in the next tutorial to prevent the ball from leaving the earth.